Each year in the United States, there are more than 300 fatal bus accidents. We're taking a closer look at these accidents today with attorney Richard Harris. He's the founder and managing partner of Richard Harris Law Firm in Las Vegas. Richard, what do you see as some of the main causes of these bus accidents?
Well, the most common cause of a bus accident, actually there are two. One of them is driver fatigue, and the other is mechanical failure.
Richard, we talk about the more than 300 fatal bus accidents each year, but how frequently do you see other types of bus accidents as well?
There aren't as many bus accidents as there are automobile accidents, but unfortunately when there is a bus accident, the obvious is that more people could be injured or killed because buses tend to hold 30, 40, 50, or 100 people.
And what are some common injuries in these bus accident cases?
Well, again, buses typically don't have seat belts or airbags for the occupants. And what we find in bus accidents, because of the lack of seat belts and airbags, and coupled with big windows for sightseeing, we see a lot of ejection of the passengers with horrific injuries, blunt force trauma, broken bones, head injuries, lacerations.
Richard, of course, there's been a big discussion over the last several years about putting seat belts on each and every seat inside each bus. What's your take on seat belts on buses?
Yeah, that's a good question. There has always been a big push by the trial lawyers to install, at least have available for folks who want to use them, seatbelts. I think you're going to have these problems with multiple injuries and fatalities until the industry adopts the same standards of safety for buses as they do for automobiles.
And that's Richard Harris of Richard Harris Law Firm in Las Vegas. Reporting for the EXP News Network, I'm Josh Talkington.